Here we have for sale our September 2024 on a 74 plate Ford Transit Custom. This is a 320 model, which means it's got a 3.2 ton gross vehicle weight. This one's got the 2 litre EcoBlue Euro 6 diesel engine producing 170 PS, which is roughly 170 brake horsepower. That is accompanied with the fantastic automatic gearbox. And this is the L2 long wheelbase factory double cab finished in the brilliant Artisan Red, which has been very nicely enhanced by ourselves during preparation. And what we're going to do in this video is have a little walk around. I'll show you the spec that you get on a Ford Transit Custom Limited factory double cab of this age. I'll also talk you through the enhancements that I mentioned and really have a close look at the condition of this particular example, seeing as it is currently available for sale with us here at Bridgend Van Centre. First thing to note with this vehicle, there is no VAT to pay. The previous owner of this vehicle was not VAT registered, which means there is no VAT to be added to the price that you can see advertised. Very rare example, to be honest with you. You won't see many Transit Custom double cabs of this age being no VAT, so quite a rare opportunity indeed. Starting here then at the rear of the vehicle, we can see that this one is spec'd with rear barn doors. So barn doors are 2 doors which open in that sort of fashion. On a Limited, you get a number of elements which come color coded in the fantastic Artisan Red body color, and that includes things like the door handles, the bumpers, the mirrors, all in this lovely color. A few enhancements that have been made here at the back of the van. So the first thing to note is the nice gloss black rear spoiler, which you can see there. Down below that then we've got this nice carbon rear bumper protector, and also this nice lower little lip diffuser that is just there as well. You also get a reversing camera and rear parking sensors as standard on the Limited. In terms of condition here, looking at the condition of the paintwork, you can just see how clean and tidy this is, looking absolutely spot on here at the back. It is really nothing to fault at all. If we open up the rear doors, we can start to have a look inside the back of the van. This is quite unusual in the back of here. So this one was lined from brand new with this nice Raptor lining. So the company this came from, this is what they do on all of their vans when they sell them from brand new. So as I say, this really nice hard wearing spray on lining on the sides in the back of here, which I think looks really nice, but actually also offers immense practicality as well, because this really does help to protect the inside of the van in here. Makes it very nice and easy to keep clean and tidy, but I think, as I say, overall I think gives a really nice look inside the back of the van. So I think that's a nice enhancement there. You've got LED load lights, and using this little switch just here, you can actually turn the extra lights on as well. This is the correct placement of the toolkit on the inside of there, and you can see the condition of the bulkhead looking absolutely spot on there inside the van. The floor is in brilliant condition as well, so it's a nice hard wearing plastic floor that is still in fantastic order, and you can see you've got nice tie down points dotted around the bottom of the van there as well to help tie cargo down. If we shut the rear doors, then we continue to go around the outside of the vehicle. So looking here down the driver's side here, and you can just see how clean and straight that is, looking absolutely fabulous condition on this van. Our guys, as always, have done a brilliant job when it comes to fully detailing the vehicle. So this van has been completely machine polished to really enhance that paintwork further, and you can see how nice that is looking here as we're sort of reaching the end of the day in this low light. It is just looking absolutely fantastic, it must be said. I love the colour. It's probably not the colour that you'll see most often in these vans. You'll probably see a lot more grey matters or magnetics, but I think the Artisan Red, it looks absolutely lovely, especially with these gloss black enhancements. So having a look down the driver's side, some of those enhancements here, you can see you've got the nice little gloss black side skirts there. There's also a nice set of roof bars, and also these lovely 20-inch gloss black alloy wheels as well, which I just think set it off so nicely. Being a factory double cab there, of course, you do get twin side loading doors, so you can access those rear seats from both sides. Again, condition here pretty much faultless. There's nothing particularly to point out in here. It's looking very nice. You've got ISOFIX compatibility on the 2 outer seats. But yeah, looking very nice indeed. Carpeted floor, of course, from factory, but the condition of the step, all the plastics inside here, very smart indeed. There's 2 little nice USB-Cs in the center there as well for your rear passengers. But of course, what is so nice about a factory double cab is you get a proper headlining, proper door cards. There's even speakers in the door cards, which really do help indeed. If we open up the driver's door then, start to have a look inside here. So having a look at the door card there, the step, the floor. This one's got carpet all the way through into the front, and a nice set of rubber overmats in there as well, which definitely helps to look after those carpets in the front there. Looking at the driver's seat, this is all in lovely condition. You've got height adjustability here as well, and you've got a driver's armrest where you can set to your desired height. You've got auto-activated lights, auto-activated wipers, you've got electric windows, electric folding mirrors, which is now just on a little button just there, nice and easy to use. I love the steering wheel on these. I've got one of these vans myself, which I drive every day, and yeah, I quite like this, you know, flat. It's almost like a sort of a slightly rounded off square shaped steering wheel, but I really like it. The steering is lovely and light. It's so nice to drive these vans. On the left hand side then, you've got your cruise control settings there. On the right hand side, your onboard computer controls just there as well. 10,175 miles, and as you saw there moving around, you've got this lovely digital dashboard display there in front of you. Gear stick on an automatic is now on this stalk here on the right hand side, which is again so easy to use, and it makes way for a bit more space here in the center as well, not having to have the gear stick here in the center. Down below then, you've got the nice little hidden cup holder just there, USB and a USB-C, and a nice little 12-volt socket just there. There we are. That's how you open that. I couldn't work out how you open that then. Into the center then, this much larger screen here in the center, which gives you wireless Apple CarPlay and wireless Android Auto, which is, I think, absolute game changer in this new shape Transit Custom. This much bigger screen. I think it's something like 11.5 inches, this screen. And as I say, when you've got your phone connected to this via Bluetooth and you jump in, you've just got your Apple CarPlay on there straight away. Just makes a big difference. Heated seats, heated windscreen, heated door mirrors, air conditioning, all of that controlled here along the bottom of this screen. But yeah, these cabs are a very nice place to be. And you've also got the little work tray as well, which has got somewhere to store some paperwork if you want to just there. 2 full remote keys, of course, are supplied with the vehicle as well. And then round to the front, got the nice Ford LED headlights, which gives you this lovely LED daytime running lights. You've got the gloss black front grille, which again is all part of the styling package that we've fitted on this van, and also the gloss black canards, and then the gloss black front splitter as well just there. And as I don't want to sort of repeat myself, but I really think this Artisan Red with those gloss black accents, I don't think it gets a great deal better than that, I don't think, in the new shape Transit Custom. I think it looks absolutely fantastic. You've got a couple of little stone chips there to the very leading edge of the bonnet, but that is about all that I can fault it on. You're going to get a few here or there, but it is in really stunning condition. It is looking very nice indeed. And again, having a look here down the passenger side of the vehicle, you can just see how clean and straight that is. Absolutely spot on indeed. If I just show you the rear seats from the passenger side, just gives you a look there. You can see how good condition is inside here. Same with the step, door card, the passenger seats from this angle. If I move this mat out of the way, you can see all the rubber floor mats in there. But yeah, the dashboard is all looking absolutely lovely inside there as well. During our preparation then, we've put this right through our van specialist workshop, Bridgend Van Care. They've conducted a full service on it to bring it right up to date and keep it, of course, in line with its manufacturer's warranty. So you've got manufacturer's warranty on this van until September 2027. So plenty of time left on the manufacturer's warranty on this. This is really, peace of mind motoring, really, isn't it? With that length of time left on your manufacturer's warranty. Of course, we can arrange finance packages at very competitive rates, whether that be for private individuals or for limited companies. We could take cars or vans in part exchange, and we could also deliver our vans nationwide as well. But just to quickly summarize then, a no VAT long wheelbase factory limited double cab automatic 170 Transit Custom. That is, I say, very appealing in Artisan Red with this lovely body styling kit on it. Pretty much immaculate condition, let's be honest. It is looking really stunning, this van. That lovely Raptor lining in the back as well, I think that is mighty appealing. If you'd like to see the full advert, if you haven't seen it already, I'd urge you to head over to our website there, bridgendvans.co.uk. That's where you'll find the price, the description and the photography of this van, along with all of the others that we've currently got advertised as well. Thank you very much for watching.